Good morning, on all present here. I'm Nandini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic on linear least square in data analytics. What is known as a linear least square? It is the mathematical method used in data analytics to find the best fitting of a straight line to get a data set or different data points. So that is, we use this data analytics. In this, we are going to see a one problem statement. In that, how we are using this linear least square. A problem statement is that Arjun, a business analyst, he needs to have a idea of predicting a revenue, how a market has been spent, how a market has been spent based on the advertisement and promotions. So he has some data and how this revenue is increases eventually with the marketing strategies. So that he chooses a design thinking framework to get a solution of an phases with four phases. First one we are going to see is an empathy phase. So in the empathy stage, first he need to understand the deeply from his perspective, who is the user, who are the stakeholders, and how he is using the real world context inside this. Next one is Arjun studies a situation like how a revenue can be changed from marketing, how in the marketing spends. Next, how a companion gets success or a failure, how a human market factors affects the outcome. These are the phases he can explain in empathize. In the define phase, Arjun need to define the core problem, that is with the help of an empathy insights. Revenue is not fully explained by the marketing spent alone. In the market, what the amount you are spending alone is not explaining your marketing strategy, but also a target audiences, how seasonally an income gets changes, what type of companion we use. So that the problem statement might help the business actually to predict the revenue if the both market spend and the real world influences. So that this person Arjun needs to clarify in the defined stage, that is what he is predicting the revenue more realistically, whether he is predicting the revenue more realistically, that causes the variance of key factors, what are the decision makers that reduces uncertainties. Next one, in an ideate phase. In an ideate phase, Arjun needs to brainstorm a solution or an approach. That is, what types of models or what are the methods he are using to find the revenue, that and all. For example, I built a multiple linear regression model with examples of this regression model is used to companion the type in the month revenues, week revenues, and daily revenues, the customer segmentations. Next one, we use a machine learning technique like random forest to handle a complex patterns. What are the patterns we have in a complex? We use this random forest model. And the third one is we are creating an interactive dashboard which is used to visualize, or it shows to the users or the stakeholders how an product has been, or how a business has been analyzed in the targets. Next one is also alpha beta testing in the market strategies. These are the things he need to build to have many possible analytical approaches. Next one is a prototype. In this, you need to create a small testable version first. So that what are the things he need to test? For example, he need to build some sample regression models using past 3 months data or past 6 months data. Then he need to create a dashboard that shows then how a predictive analysis versus an actual revenue is being shown. Then he can develop what tool he need, what are the market teams he need to recruit, how an estimation is being done likewise. So these are the stages he can think using design thinking. The applications in the future works is we can use this in any of the details like uh, financial world, marketing world, engineering, healthcare. These types of things we can use this least linear square method. So we must predict the data clearly. We need things. So we must predict the problem statement, empathize it, define it, ideate it, prototype it, test it, then give to the user or the stakeholder who needs this. So, thank you so much for the video.